Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the SSD type and getting the right enclosure. Once done, back up any needed data. Make sure the system is powered off. Remove the computer or laptop cover with a screwdriver while wearing an anti-static strap so you avoid damaging components. Unscrew and gently extract the internal drive, noting its orientation and connector. If it's M2, release the single screw. If it's 2, 5-inch SATA, slide out the bracket. Keep screws organized for reassembly. Next, fit the SSD into the external enclosure carefully, because alignment prevents connector damage. For M2, insert at a slight angle, then lower and fasten with the tiny screw. For SATA, slide the drive into the tray and secure it. Once secured, close the enclosure according to manufacturer instructions and reconnect any thermal pads if provided. Plug the enclosure into your computer using a high-speed cable and port. If the drive requires external power, connect that now to ensure stable operation. Finally, initialize and format the new external SSD so your OS can use it. Choose GPT for larger drives and pick NTFS or XFAT based on compatibility. Once formatted, run a quick health and speed check to confirm performance and that smart reports are healthy. If the drive isn't detected, power down and reseat the SSD, swap cables and ports, and update USB drivers or enclosure firmware. If problems persist, test the SSD inside the original system to isolate enclosure versus drive issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.